Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an exciting new way to create your very own digital planner using Canva, featuring the brand new Calendar Maker app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a totally customized planner that's ready to use or share, and you don't need any special design experience to get started. I'll break everything down step by step, show you exactly what buttons to click, and sprinkle in a few tips to help your planner really stand out. Alright, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is super easy and the basic version is totally free, which is perfect for this project. Once you're logged in, you'll spot a button near the top right that says Create a Design. Give that a click. This is basically your launchpad for any type of project in Canva. Next, in the search bar that pops up, type in Planner. Canva will instantly pull up a bunch of professionally designed templates, daily, weekly, monthly, or even really creative layouts like goal trackers and more. Take your time scrolling here. Think about what you want your planner to help you with. Is it to organize your daily routine, stay on top of schoolwork, track your fitness, or plan meals? Picking the right template can save you loads of time, but if nothing feels quite right or you want to flex your creativity, you can always opt for a completely blank canvas and build your planner from scratch. Once you've selected a template, it'll open in the editor. Now this is where the fun begins. To give your pages a polished, cohesive look, I recommend adding a border to each page. On the left side of Canva, click Elements, then search for borders. You'll get all sorts of styles, from classic lines to floral frames to playful doodles. Drag one onto your planner page and resize or adjust the color until it matches your vibe. Think of the border as the frame for a piece of art. It adds that final touch that makes everything feel more intentional. Here comes the really cool part, adding your calendar. On the left sidebar, look for apps. It might be called More depending on your version. Click there and in the search field, type Calendar Maker. This is Canva's brand new app, and it takes the hassle out of building grids or lining up dates by hand. Open the Calendar Maker and choose the layout or date range you want. For example, you can select a full month, a week view, or even just calendar blocks for important dates. Customize the look. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and even highlight certain days for birthdays, deadlines, or anything unique to your planner needs. Don't be afraid to play around a bit. This part might take a few moments as you mix and match styles to get it just right. After you've got your borders, calendar, and any extra touches like stickers or notes sections set up where you want them, you're almost done. Now it's time to share or save your creation. At the top right of Canva, you'll see the Share button. Click it and select Download. Take a moment to choose your format. PDF works great if you plan to use your planner digitally or print it out, but PNG or JPEG are good for sharing on social media or with friends. And that's it, you've just made a stunning, personalized digital planner with Canva's new Calendar Maker app. If you made it this far, give yourself a quick pat on the back. Remember, you can always go back and tweak your planner later, so don't worry if you think of something new to add next week. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have questions or want tips for a particular kind of planner. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss my next guide. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next one.